In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Binance calculator in futures trading. Understanding how to navigate this tool effectively can be a game changer for managing your trades with greater precision and confidence. So let's walk through the process together in a way that's straightforward and easy to follow. To start, you'll want to open the Binance app on your device. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the Futures section. This is where all the magic happens and where we can harness the power of the calculator to make informed trading decisions. Now locate the calculator icon, typically found near the top right corner of your screen. It's a small yet powerful tool that can provide you with the insights needed for your trading strategy. Once you've tapped the calculator icon, you'll be prompted to choose a mode. You have three options here: P&L, which stands for profit and loss; target price, which helps you determine the price at which you may want to aim your trade; and liquidation price, ensuring you're aware of the level at which your position would be liquidated if things don't go as planned. Selecting the appropriate mode is crucial because it dictates the kind of information you'll be working with. So think carefully about what you're looking to calculate before proceeding. Next up is entering the key details of your trade. This means you'll need to input your entry price, the price at which you anticipate entering the trade, the exit price, your desired or anticipated closing price, the position size, which refers to how much of the asset you're trading, and lastly, your leverage. Leverage is a way of using borrowed funds to enhance potential returns, but it can also increase potential risks. So ensure these figures reflect your trading intentions before entering them. With all of your information entered, go ahead and tap Calculate. By doing so, you'll receive a clear view of your expected profit or loss, your target price, or your liquidation levels depending on the mode you've selected. Having these calculations available at a single glance can be incredibly valuable and enables you to make decisions backed by numbers rather than guesswork. Finally, use these results to refine your trading plan or tweak your risk settings. Whether it's evaluating a potential trade or adjusting a current position, the insights derived from this tool can help you steer your trading strategy in the right direction. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on utilizing the Binance calculator feature for futures trading. By familiarizing yourself with these steps, you empower yourself to trade with greater insight and preparedness. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to guiding you through more trading tutorials soon.